The 44-inch Hawkins is a transitional style ceiling fan with a hugger bowl design that is perfectly suited for rooms with low ceilings. The fan is rated for indoor use and is pull chain operated. The 44-inch blade span makes it perfect for small rooms that are 10 by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings and low ceilings. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. First, turn off power at the breaker. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the box and align the holes over the screw holes. Insert and tighten the removed screws. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and use the hole in the motor bracket to hang it from the hook on the mounting plate. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box and hanger bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire with the neutral wire from the box. Combine the black and blue wires with the hot wire from the box. If your box has 2 hot wires to control the fan and light separately, combine the blue wire that powers the light to one hot wire and the black wire that powers the fan to the other hot wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Align the holes on the motor bracket with the 4 studs on the mounting plate. Use the included washers and nuts on each stud to secure the motor in place. Verify that all wires are securely pressed against the ceiling and are not touching the top of the motor. Bring the motor housing up to the fan. Align the studs on the mounting plate with the brackets on the housing, then twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Bring a blade arm up to the fan. Align the screws on the arm with the holes underneath the motor, then tighten both screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blade arms. Bring a fan blade up to the motor. Align the key slots on the blade with the blade arm posts, then press and pull until the spring locking mechanism clicks and locks the blade in place. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Prepare the light kit by removing all 3 mounting screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect both plugs. Align the slot on the light kit with the reverse switch. Insert and tighten the 3 removed light kit mounting screws. Remove the decorative nut, glass cap, and metal nut from the light kit. Slide the pull chain through the slot near the top of the light kit and into the guide hole near the bottom of the light kit. Install the 2 included LED bulbs. Bring the glass shade up to the fan. Align the center hole with the light kit shaft and the side hole with the pull chain. Thread the metal nut onto the shaft to hold the glass shade in place. Slide the glass cap over the light kit shaft and align the smaller hole with the pull chain. Thread the decorative nut onto the shaft to hold the glass cap in place. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed change cycles through the fan's different speed settings. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light chain toggles the light on or off. The reverse switch changes the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped when using the reverse switch. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. If you want more details or have any questions, call the number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.